Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu Opulent, a name that perfectly matches the upgraded sophistication this mid-size sedan is bringing to the table this year. Chevy's gone all in on luxury with this trim, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. Right off the bat, the exterior is sleek and refined. The Opulent trim introduces unique chrome accents, a more sculpted front fascia, and a bold new grille that gives it an upscale presence. LED headlights and taillights come standard, and those 19-inch alloy wheels add a premium touch. The Malibu has always had a clean silhouette, but the 2025 design tweaks make it more dynamic and visually striking. Now stepping inside, the Opulent truly earns its name. The cabin feels more like an entry-level luxury car than a typical mid-size sedan. You get quilted leather seats, ambient lighting, and real wood trim inserts that elevate the whole vibe. The 11-inch touchscreen is smooth and intuitive, running the latest Chevrolet infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a digital gauge cluster that's crisp and customizable. Heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and even a panoramic sunroof come standard here. Under the hood, the Malibu Opulent features a turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4 engine pushing out 163 horsepower and 184 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to a CVT transmission that prioritizes smoothness over aggression. No, it's not a sports sedan, but it delivers a composed and comfortable ride, perfect for daily commuting or long highway cruises. If you're looking for performance thrills, this might not be your first pick. But for refined cruising, it absolutely holds its own. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu Opulent starts around $33,000, which is a reasonable bump from the base model when you factor in all the added luxury and tech. It positions itself nicely against higher trims of rivals like the Honda Accord or Toyota Camry, offering similar features with a slightly different flavor. So, is the Malibu Opulent worth it? If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and well-equipped sedan without jumping to the luxury segment, this one's definitely worth a test drive. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews like this. Catch you in the next one.